The Piazza is a meeting place for the children where they can take ownership and accountability of serving themselves. They then learn respect and sharing techniques.
I love the great open area provided for children to sit and enjoy their meal with their friends.
We have herb gardens and other vegetable gardens that we grow, and our lemon tree out there. And then we also talk about where the food comes from and how it is then placed in front of them as a delicious meal.
They always encourage us to put our input into the menu based on what my child likes to eat at home.
It's really important that they learn the basic nutritional value of food and what it can do to their body and their health and fitness. They're very special, they're very unique, and each and every one brings a special quality into my life every day.